Hello beautiful people, how are you today? I'm good, I'm excellent. Meet me again in my food channel FoodComa by MissBlackRose. Assalamualaikum. Today I'm gonna show you how to make the Italian gnocchi with spinach. Okay, yes. Alright, okay. Right, this is John everyone, and he sounds like a goat every time he wants to pick up. He always like meow meow, something like that. Alright, so okay, if you like the video, please subscribe, likes, comment, and share. Thank you very much. So let's learn together. I'm gonna wash my hand after this. Yeah, right. Okay, what's right? Wash my hand first. Ow! Okay, let's learn together. This is spinach Italian gnocchi that I'm gonna show you. It's quite simple. You don't need really much ingredient. So potatoes, eggs, spinach, course, or horenzo, whatever you call it, and all-purpose flour and water. But you don't have to use it, but let's see the consistency. Okay, and what you're gonna do, just peel the tomato, not the tomato, potatoes, and then just boil it, or it's better to steam it until soft, right? And then this you have to saute and then blend it, so it's gonna be like puree. Okay, let's do the potatoes first. Anyway, so you peel off everything, then after that you just steam it. Okay, right, this is 20 minutes steams already, so it must be really tender. So what you do, just mess it. I need high heel because I need to be high to mess this up. So I suggest you to mess it when it's really hot, so easy to do. Done. Done. Saute this, and then I'm gonna mess it up with well, not blender, like food processor. Right, everyone, I done this mashed potatoes. So my next step is I gonna saute this spinach or horenzo in a little bit olive oil. Then after that, I'm gonna mess it up with the food processor. Then it's become puree. Right, it's hot enough already, so we put the spinach. Looks a lot, but then when we stir it, it's gonna be like really small. You see, it's a little bit now. Very watery. just to maintain the blade sharp. Alright, okay, let's put it off. What's happened? Doesn't work. Wait. How about now? What the hell? Alright, okay, I have to fix this, okay? You know what? The socket is not really tight, so it won't work. So I have to do it like this. Weird in it. So right, okay, so it's become puree like this. That's quite puree. Right. Okay, now let's make the gnocchi. Okay, first of all, okay, now let's make a gnocchi. So you pour the flour. So you make it sort of like well. Yeah. And then beat the egg. Right, and then put it in here. Here, coming back again with the salt, just a bit salt. And then put this together. Right. Oh, don't forget the potato. No. Difficult to use with the plastic, you know. Put all of it. My hand is clean actually, you know, so with this plastic it's a bit hideous. You know what? I'm just gonna use my hand. I wash my hands already and clean. I make sure it's clean. So put all of them. Ouch! Done. done. So everyone, this is the result. The consistency is a bit really soft, but it's okay because you want the gnocchi melted in your mouth like a butter when it's done. So don't put more flour. Just okay. So you're gonna do just do like this. This is gonna be long work because it's a lot, because you have to do it it's by hand. Right, so you just cut this like this. Right, so you do it all the way up until finish. Right, the water is boiled, so I like to put a little bit oil, so when they're not gonna stick around together, right? Okay. Just a bit salt. Okay, what you do, put one by one. Sometimes they stick together, you know. Right, okay, when you see everything going up, floating, that means it's ready. So you have to wait maybe one more minute, then it's ready. Right, and then you start again until all your gnocchi is finished, right? Ready. I'm gonna show you how it's in nearby. Oh my god, it's so heavy. You know what, this is enough for 2 or 3 people. Okay, I tell you what, if you're not gonna cook it right away, what you do, just leave it up until cold and then put it in a airtight container, then freeze up until up to 1 month. In this case, I'm gonna cook later on in a few days. I'm gonna show you how I cook it, this gnocchi with, you know, and then now I just want to eat one. I'm just gonna taste it, how it is. It's so good, so soft, so sultry, and melted in the mouth is just like a butter. So this is how gnocchi is, you know, it's not really chewy or something like that. Okay guys, if you like the video, please like, comment, subscribe and share it. Thank you very much. I'm gonna see you again in my next video and hope you guys okay. See you later and bye for now.